Yes. Today first day. So today first day. Today agenda first day. Yes. Today just agenda first day. Yes. Today topic. So first of all about myself. So about me. Next about your course. About your course. Next about course contents. About course contents. About course contents. Okay. Yes, about course and about course contents. So first of all, about myself. About myself. Okay. Yes, myself. Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao. This is Nageswar Rao. Yes, well-known trainer for C language. Well-known trainer for C language. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, having 23 years of experience in software fields. 23 years of experience. Having 23 years of experience in software fields. Most of the experience on C, C++, and Java. Because Java, yes, C, C++, and Java. Most of my experience, and Linux also, because of the Linux required in C project developments and Linux, C, C++, Java, and Linux. Is most of my experience. Okay. See, total projects completed is equal to here. Yes, 18 projects completed. Total projects completed, 18 projects completed. Total projects completed 18. Here currently working for currently working for, yes, working for Silutech. Yes, Silutech Private Limited Hyderabad. Silutech Private Limited Hyderabad. Presently working for this company. Currently working for Silutech Private Limited Hyderabad. Okay. Yes, this is presently working company. Yes, Silutech Private Limited. So this is presently my working company. This is okay. Yes, presently my working company. Yes. So out of 18 projects here, yes, out of 18, embedded C. Yes. So my career started with embedded C. Later started with Java also. So embedded C. Embedded C. Yes, embedded C. 8 projects completed. Embedded C 8 projects. Next others are Java projects. Java 10 projects completed. Java 10 projects completed. So embedded C 8 projects. Java 10 projects. 10 projects completed. This is my experience. Lot of experience in C and Java. Embedded C and Java and Linux area. Lot of experience. So presently I'm working as solution architect. Yes, solution. Yes, solution architect. Solution architect. Solution architect for C and Java projects. C plus both are same here. C plus and Java projects. Java projects. Okay, this is my total experience here. 23 years of experience. Okay. C plus Java and Linux area. Total 18 projects completed. Currently working for this company here. Okay. So embedded C 8 projects completed. Java 10 projects completed. So embedded C is not Linux based C language. Same C language using a Linux based C language on Linux based embedded C. Embedded C. Okay. So that's all about my, yes, about me. Okay. Yes. So that's all about myself. Okay. Fine. Yes, lot of experience, very good experience. Yes, in development, not in development, even in teaching also I had a good experience. So since last 3 years, I'm taking online classes on C language. Since last 3 years, I'm taking online classes. Okay. Yes, now come to your course here. What's your course? About course. Okay. Yes, here myself, okay, done. Yes, about course. About course. Let us see about course here. Yes, about your course. See about course. So about course, right? Yes, your course is yes, C with data sector, C with DS, C with DS, course C with data sectors, C with data sectors, course is C with data sectors. Okay. Yes, next time. Yes, sorry, duration, total duration. Yes, duration. Yes, duration. Yes, 50 to yes, 50 to 60 days will be taken. 50 to 60 days. So max 60 days, not more than that. Okay, 50 to 60 days. Okay, duration 50 to 60 days. Not more than 60 days. At any cost, to be finishing by 60 days. Duration. Next time. Time. Yes. 7:30 to yes 8:45 p.m. It is 1 hour and 15 minutes daily class. 7:30 to 8:45 p.m. Okay, time this is. Next classes Monday to Saturday. So Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes. Classes are from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. Okay. So this about this. Yes. Next. Yes. Daily recordings will be shared. Daily recordings. Now currently it's recording. Your session is recording. See that red color, red symbol showing red. Red symbol means it's recording now. Currently it's recording. Okay. Daily recordings. Get daily recordings. Daily recordings will be shared. Yes, daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID. Will be shared. Will be shared to yes, share to your Gmail ID. Yes, your Gmail ID. Your Gmail ID. Yes, Gmail ID. Daily recording will be shared to your Gmail ID within 1 hour of finishing class. Within yes, 1 hour. 1 hour of finishing class. Just within 1 hour. Daily recordings will be shared your Gmail ID within 1 hour of finishing class. 1 hour of finishing. 1 hour of finishing class. 1 hour of finishing class within 1 hour. Daily recordings. Daily recordings will be shared your Gmail ID within 1 hour of finishing class. Within 1 hour of finishing class. Finishing class. Correct? Yes. Daily recordings. Correct? Next. Yeah, that recording can be watched. Yes, recording. Yes, recording. Recording can be watched for any number of times. No limits. Recording can be watched. Can be watched. Can be watched for yes any number of times. Any number of times. No limit on this. No limit. No limit on this. Yes, no limit on this. Recording can be watched for a number of times. No limit on this. Correct? Yes, apart from this, see get daily class notes. Class notes. Class document will provide here. Daily class documents. Yes, software. Softwares provided. Correct? Next, daily. Yes, daily programs, daily experiment programs, and daily assignments. Daily assignments. Daily assignments will be given here. Daily assignments. Okay. So daily, every day some examples. Daily. So every day daily programs will be explained here. After explaining some programs, some assignments will be given. Some programs. Daily programs explaining here. Okay. Next, daily assignments also will be there. So this is about your course. Okay. So this is about course. Your course is C with DS, C language with data structures, including data structures. Duration 50 to 60 days. Time 7:30 to 8:45 p.m. So Monday to Saturday classes. Daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID within 1 hour of finishing class. Okay. Yes, recording can be watched for any number of times. No limit on this. No limit, guys. Next, one more thing here. Suppose anyone yes anyone unable to attend the classes after some time classes after some time after some time yes anyone unable to attend classes after some time due to some reasons here, some personal reasons. Yes, maybe reasons like maybe your college time changed or office time changed. That case, if anyone and yes, maybe sometimes exams also. Yes, college suddenly conducting some exams. Due to that, yes, anyone unable to attend the classes for after some time here, yes, you can attend next batch also, no problem. Yes, you can attend. Okay, yes, you can attend next batch also. You can attend next batch also. You can next batch also. You can attend for next batch. No problem issue here. You can attend for next batch. Okay. Yes, 60 days enough, maximum enough here. Okay, 60 days enough for C and S. 60 days enough here. Yes, almost more than 200 programs will be discussing. More than 200 programs will be discussing in your syllabus. Okay, including algorithms and all this. Including algorithms. 60 days maximum enough. Enough. Daily 1 hour and 15 minutes, Monday to Saturday. 60 days more than enough. Good enough. Okay, to finish. Okay. Yes. So if anyone, yes, anyone unable to attend the classes after some time here, yes, you can attend for next batch also. You can attend for next batch. I'm not a commercial. Okay, you can attend for next batch also. I'm giving that first, no issue for that. Okay. So this is about our course. About our course, right? Yes, next year, course contents. Before course contents, some question here. Yes, prerequisites. So what is prerequisites to learn C language? So next question, what is prerequisites? Yes, to learn C language. So what is prerequisite to learn C language? C language. Maybe this doubt here. Yes, nothing required. Nothing required. Nothing required. Okay, because C is a beginner course. Yes, C is a beginner. Yes, it's a beginner course. It's a beginner course. Nothing required. Okay, so nothing. C is a beginner course. 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 Nothing required. So what is prerequisite to learn C language? So nothing required. I'm not expecting anything from you. C is a beginner course. Beginner course. Okay. Yes, even non-IT backgrounds. See, non-IT background guy also can understand. Non-IT background guy also can understand here. Non-IT background guys. Non-IT background guys also can understand here. Okay. Also can understand here. Yes, can understand this course. Yes, non-IT. Yes, C is the entry point in software field. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Yes, C is an entry point in software field. C is an entry point. Entry point. C is an entry point in C line in Java. Yes, in this software field here, it's the entry point. C is the entry point. C is an entry point in the software field. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, from civil backgrounds. See, after learning C language, next you have to choose your fields. First, complete C language. Okay, as a fresher, you can attend interviews here. After finishing C language, as a fresher, you can attend. As a fresher, you can attend interviews here. After finishing C language, you can attend interviews as a fresher. Okay, or else after C language, you can go for Java. You can learn Java, or you can database, or you can go for Linux base, or yes, you can go for data science like this. So C is the entry point. Okay, C is the entry point. Yes, after C language, after finishing C language, you can go for Java or you can go for Python. It depends on requirements. Depends on that here. Depends on that here. Depends on your field you choosing here. You can go for any others here. So C is the entry point if you good at C language. Okay. Yes. The guys who are the guys who are good at good at good at C language, good at C language, they can perform better. Yes, the advantage here. They can perform better. They can perform better than others here. Better than others in the software field here. Who are good at C language? Who are good at C language? They can perform. They can perform better than others. Okay. Yes. Yeah, 100%. How to build the logic? Yes, more than 200 programs will be discussing. Here to build the logic here, more than 200 programs here. See, let me open your C documents. Read right. C language. Yeah, this is your C language document here. C language document. So the C language started from basics, like what is software, what is system software, what is application software. Next, what is OS, what is OS. Next, yes, front end, back end, what is language and package languages, low level languages, high level languages, like generation of language, first generation, second generation, like generation of language, these things here. Next, C language, that is 3 here. Okay. Yes. In this many programs discussed. Many programs. Around 200 programs. More than 200 programs expand the document here. More than 200 programs. Okay. Yes. I'll show you topic wise. This document I'll show you topic wise here. Yes. So this is about this. Okay. Right. Yes. Who are good at C language, they can perform better than others. Okay. Right. Next here in this daily programs and daily assignments here, daily, yes, totally here 200 programs covered here, 200 programs covered, 200 programs covered here, covered, yes, and also interview questions covered, and also interview questions, and also interview questions, and also, yes, written test, written test, yes, written test questions are covered here, questions were covered, covered. Yes, 20 programs covered, and also, yes, written test questions. Suppose when you're facing some interview, first you should undergo written test, right? Written test. The written test questions also covered here. So questions were covered here. Questions were covered. The written test questions. Very clearly explained document here. Okay. Yes, I'll show the document topic wise. So this is about your course. Okay, prerequisite, nothing required here. Yes, C is a beginner course. Non-IT background guys also can understand here. Okay, C is a entry point. C is an entry point in software field. Yes, now let us say about, yes, your course contents. Yes, about course contents. What are the contents covering? Course contents. Course contents. Course contents. First is software basics. Starting with software basics. Software basics. Software basics. Yes, after finishing software basics here. Yes, introduction to C language. Introduction. Yes, introduction to C language. Introduction to C language. Introduction to C language. Introduction to C language. Software basics. Next, introduction to C language. Introduction to C language. Okay, first initially software basics. Yes, see software. Yes, let me show topic wise your document here. Okay. Yes, whole day, whole session is completely just about your course only here. Okay. Yes. So this is introduction to software. So what is software? In their system software, application software. Next here OS, about OS, how OS is working. Yes, after that, next about languages. About language like low level language and high level languages. Next generation of language. Low level language, high level language. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. That 4 generations here, generation of language. Next, introduction to C language. Introduction, right? Yes, soft introduction here. How to write C programming. So next one, yes, third one, yes, writing, yes, writing, yes, writing C program. So steps to develop C program here. Writing C program, writing C program. Okay, writing C program, right? C program, next compilation and running and all this, right? Writing C program. Yes, after that, next data types. So next topic is C language data types. C language data types. C language data types. C data types. 1 second. This is some Java document. Yes, I'm taking C and Java classes, both C and Java, both. Yes, as I'm working in both here, I'm taking both classes. So this is first program. Yes, next about between yes, difference between interpreter and compiler, the differences. Okay. Yes. Next, C language data types. C language data types. There are different data types. Okay. C language data types. After finishing data types, next operators. Data types like bits and bytes, that memory, data storage, and all this. Yes, after data types. Yes, next about operators. So next is about operators. So data types, next operators. Yes, operators. Yes, operators. Yes, operators like unary operators, binary and ternary. There are three types of operators: unary, binary, and ternary. See operators: unary, binary, and ternary. Yes, unary, binary. Yes, like arithmetic, relational, logical. So one by one, very clearly explain all the operators. Okay. Yes, using these operators, some examples. Arithmetic operators examples. Okay. Arithmetic operators examples. Next, relational operators. See, there are some small questions, some interview kind of questions. So small program. So what is output of this program? So next program, what is output of this one? Maybe asking this kind of questions here. In written test, asking some questions like this. In interview point of view, some written test in that maybe getting this kind of questions here. So next here, unary operators, this increment, decrement operators, increments like pre-increment, post-increment, they are operators here. Yes, here also small questions prepared. Interview kind of questions here. Interview kind of questions, these things here. All this. Yes, like written test. And in written test, we get this type of questions here. Okay. Yes. So these all the operators. Some examples, bitwise operators also explained here. Bitwise operators. All these examples here. Okay. Yes. After finishing, yes, operators. So next one is here. Yes, control statements. Next is control statements. Control statements. Okay. So next sixth one, control statements. Yes, control statements. Control statements. Control statements. Control statements. Yes, in control statements, if statements. Next, switch case statements. Switch case statement here. Next, while loop. Yes, while loop. Next, do while loop. While loop. Yes, do while loop. Yes, for loop. Yes, if statement, switch case statement, while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Okay, these things here. So these things. Okay, see here. So on this if statement, different types of statements. Different types of if statements. Yes, on this if statement examples. Examples, some programs. Yes, on if statements, around 20 programs covered here. Only on if statements, around 20 programs. 20 programs covered, and assignments also prepared. Daily assignments. Yes, around 20 programs are there on if statements. 20 programs explaining here. Every program, not theory, practically. I'll show on the system here. I will compile on the computer. Yes, I'll run it. I'll show that. Okay, writing code. Next comparison running here. Practically, I'll show that. Practically, we'll discuss that. Practically, I will show every program here. Practically, I'll show all of the programs. See, these are all the statements. Yes, I think more than 20 programs are there. Around 25 programs are there, if statements. Next, after if statement, go to statements. That go to statement examples. Go to next switch case statements. Yes, on switch case also 10 examples covered here, 10 programs. So 25 plus 10, 35 programs up to this. Next loops. See loops here and loops here. Yes. Like while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Okay, on loops here. Yes, one second, list of programs. Yes, this much of programs. Yes, loops programs here. These are all these here. Yes, around 40 programs covered here. 40 programs are there in this. 39, 40 programs. Next 20 assignment. Total is 60. In loop 60. Yes, if statement, switch case, those are around 30. So 90 programs. So around 100 programs. In these parts, 100 programs covered up to this. Up to this 100 programs were covered here. Yes, it's not saying words. The practically. Yes, you can see that all the practical loops programs here. Yes, all the programs prepared. Yes, around 50 programs prepared in document here, 20 assignments, 70 plus, yes, 30 if statement. Totally here, 100 programs. These are all the 100 programs. Lot of logic building here. Different kind of programs solving here. Yes, building, yes, to build your logics here. Many programs covered. Around 100 programs will be discussing. Around 100 programs we will discuss. Okay. So for only logic building purpose, 100 programs explain here up to loops. So this is code C language, code C programming. Yes, up to 100 programs comes on code C programming. All this code C programming. Okay, after finishing this code C programming here, next data structure starting here. Yes, up to this is. Yes, printing some butterfly shape and some diamond shape. This type of the pattern diagrams. These all these code C language. After finishing code C language, next starting, yes, data structures. Yes, data structures. Data structures. Okay, so first initially code C language. Okay, yes, up to this is, yes, we'll be discussing about 100 programs. Yes, 100 programs. Yes, 100 programs. Yes, around 100 programs. Yes, around 100 programs. Yes, in 100 programs here. Okay. Yes. So almost 60 programs. 60 programs, 60 explaining here. 60 programs explaining. Yes, explaining here. So next 40 or assignment, 40 assignments. 40 assignments. Yes, you have to solve it. If not solve, next day I'll get 2 days. Yes, for every assignment I'll give 2 days time here. Yes, after 2 days I'll explain that assignment also. I'll explain that also here. Okay, I'll give 2 days of time to solve that assignment here. Yes, maybe solving, may not be solving. After 2 days I'll explain that examples as assignments also. So 60 explaining directly here, 40 assignments here. Even 40 assignments also I'll explain. Yes, first I'll give the assignment here. After giving assignment, I'll give the time for 2 days. Yes, if not solved here, yes, if not solved, then I'll explain. Don't worry. Yes, how to submit that assignments? I'll tell you the way. Submitting your assignments, I'll tell you the way how to submit assignments. Okay. Yes. Right. Yes. Control statements. After this, data structure starts here. Data structures. So next is data structures. So data structures. Starting data structures. In data structures, first arrays. First arrays. Arrays. Yes, arrays in this. Arrays. 1 second. No. Hello. Yeah, tell me. Hello. Hello. Yeah, tell me. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'll talk to you. Just I'm in some class. I'll talk to you. Okay. Yeah. I'll call you back in half an hour. Okay. Yes. Yes. Arrays in data structures. Arrays. In arrays, first single dimension arrays. First single dimension arrays. Okay. Yes. Next. Second one, multi-dimension arrays. Single dimension, next multi-dimension arrays. Yes, multi-dimension. Single dimension and multi-dimension. Yes, multi-dimension. Single dimension and multi-dimension arrays. Okay. Yes, arrays. Single dimension and multi-dimension. Okay. Yes, in both cases here, we'll be discussing about different kind of techniques like searching techniques, algorithms. Yes, like yes, searching techniques, searching techniques, searching techniques. Yes, next sorting techniques. Searching techniques like linear search and binary search, including algorithms. Searching techniques. Next, sorting techniques. Sorting, sorting techniques. Sorting techniques. Sorting techniques. Okay. Searching techniques and sorting techniques we'll be discussing. Okay. Yes, searching techniques like linear search, binary search. In sorting techniques here, like bubble sorting, insert sorting, selection sorting, like the different kind of sorting techniques. Okay. Yes. See this arrays. In data structures, first topic is arrays. Yes, arrays in this single dimension, multi-dimension arrays. Yes, single dimension arrays. That memory and this how to access, how to use that single dimension arrays. working with single dimensional arrays, like finding minimum and maximum of elements in array here. Okay, right? Next, searching techniques, linear search, binary search, linear search. Okay, next, binary search, using binary search, linear search and binary search. Okay, yes, next, sorting techniques like bubble sorting, insertion, selection, quick sorting, merge sorting, heap sorting. There are different kind of techniques here. Yes, in this, yeah, bubble sorting, how it's working, including algorithms. That algorithm, how it's working here. Okay, bubble sorting. Next, insertion sorting, how it's working. Very clearly explained document here. Very clearly explained document here. All the sorting techniques. Next, two-dimensional arrays. Working two-dimensional arrays. So this is about arrays. After finishing arrays, yes, next things. See arrays. Totally around 15 programs will be discussing the arrays here. 15 programs. Okay. Yes, around 15 programs I'll explain here. Arrays. Yes, around 15 programs will be discussing. Okay, so every program very clearly prepared. Next things. Very interesting topic here. Next, strings. Second one, strings here. Strings. Okay, there are different operation strings here. String operations. So around 50 operations are there. String operations, around 50 operations. Sorry, 30 operations. 50, sorry, 15 operations here. Like a string, reading string, displaying string, copying strings, comparison of strings, concatenation of strings. Yes, next, case conversion of the strings, string to numeric conversion, like this, the various string operations, string operations, reading a string, displaying string, length of the string, copying strings, comparison, concatenation, reverse of the string, case conversion, string to numeric, numeric to string conversion, area of strings, searching for strings, sorting, like this. There are 15 operations. 15 operations on each one, few examples. So around 30 programs will be discussing here. 30 programs here on combination of different operations, 5 more. So around 35 programs on the strings only here. So around here 30 programs. Very interesting here. Yes, if you solve the string operations, yes, you'll get lot of logic. Yes, building logic here. Okay, yes, that logic building. Automatically your logic will be built here. Okay, strings. Yes, after strings, next structures. 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 Yes, on structures, around 10 programs will be discussing. Small topic, structures and unions. Structures and unions. Structures and unions. So around 10 programs will be discussing on structures and unions here. Strings. Yes, all these strings. See that programs. String programs. Yes, first program, next program. Yes, next program like this. Okay. Yes, around 35 programs in these strings. Yes, many examples on strings. Very interesting topic, strings. Next here, if you solved all the operation strings here, yes, you'll get the good logic. That logical thinking. Okay, logical thinking will be including here. Improving with strings. Okay, yes, next one more. Here they say preparing some electricity bill. Okay, after finishing, so next topic is, yes, projects, small projects, just projects, small projects. Okay, so how to prepare electricity bill? Preparing electricity bill. So electricity bill, yes, consumer type, domestic type, customer, commercial type, industrial type. So consumption units based on that. Suppose 0 to 14 free here. Suppose commercial 3 rupees, industrial 4 rupees, like this. Yes, preparing electricity bill. Okay, your inputs like this. Next, bill out formats. TSR, AP transfer, customer type, customer service ID, customer name. Yes, current reading, yes, previous reading, units consumed, net bill, yes, service charges, total bill, like this. So this is one kind of project. Yes, very small projects. Small projects. Yes, this is around, yes, 200 lines of code. This is 200 lines of code. This is 200 lines. This code. Very good projects. Yes, with that coding, yes, lot of logic developing here. Yes, developing projects in real time. In real time, that projects will be how the projects will develop. That project project development, you'll get the idea here. Project development area. Okay, after structures, structures and unions. Okay, structures and unions. Before that only this is. So third one, project development. Yes, fourth one, structures and unions. Structures and unions here. Yes, like structured information, like records, like employee records, print records. Yes, maybe records, some records. How to manage that kind of records here? Like student record, item record, course record, trainer record. That details here. Record. Structured data, structured. Okay, next pointers.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
नहीं
Next is about pointers.
ऐसा
Next
काय
is
गोरे
yes. Next is
गोरे
about pointers. Yes, pointers. See pointers. First pointed to variable. First pointed to variables. Pointed to variables. First initially pointed to variables. Next pointed to arrays. So till now what I discussed here, everything will be repeating is pointers here. Pointed to arrays. Next pointed to strings. Pointed to strings. Next pointed to structures. Pointed to structures. Okay. Yes, pointed to structures. Next pointed to pointer. So these things. Yes, this is somewhat big topic. Almost more than 1 week this topic. Pointers. Yeah, this is my interesting area. My favorite topic in C language. Pointers, my favorite topic. Very interesting this is. Okay. Yes, after pointers here. So next topic is functions. Functions topic. Yes, in functions topic here, different types of functions. Just use what are the types of functions? What are the types of functions? There are some 4 types of functions. Look at that 4 types of functions we'll be discussing. Yes, after storage class in functions, there is storage classes concept here. Storage classes like auto storage class, register, static, next external. There are storage classes. Okay, storage classes. After yes, next recursive functions. How to use recursive functions? Using recursive functions. Yes, how to use recursive functions? Okay, right? Yes, next after that. Yes, no pointers. Okay, 1 second. Functions. Yes, sorry. Functions and variables. First combination. Functions and variables. Same. Okay. Functions and variables. See, same. All these topics will be repeating with functions. Okay. Functions. See. Functions and variables. Functions and variables. Same topic repeating with this here. Functions and variables. Functions and arrays. Functions and strings here. Functions and structures. Yes, functions and pointers. Functions pointers here, right? Next combination. Yes, functions pointers. 1 second. Yes. Next combination. See. Functions. Yes. Pointers and variables. Again, combination. That combination repeating here. Yes. And strings. And that combination. Different combinations we should use here. Yes, it's a very big topic. Functions, very big topic. Next, apart from this, call by value, and call by reference function. Call by value, call by reference functions. Yes, very big topic. This is very big topic. Yes, func in all the combinations. So till now, up to pointers we discussed, whatever discussed. Yes, all that combinations. Functions, very big topic. Okay, see that. Pointers topic. See that practically. Yes, every example explained here, documents. See that many programs come out here in pointers. Yes, this is my favorite topic and interesting also. Generally, anyone says that pointers are tough, but after attending my classes, pointers becomes very easy. Yes, I'll explain very clearly like that. You can understand very clearly with memory and all those concepts here. Like a spoon feeding. My class is like a spoon feeding. Everyone can understand here. So this is pointed here is like a different things here. All this very clearly explained document here. Very clear document. This pointers topic, very big topic. That's pointers topic. Okay, about pointers. Yes, many programs covered here. Okay. Yes, pointers. Yes, see this. In this area, around 50 programs covered here. Around 50 programs. Yes, functions. Yes, in this, around 30 programs were covered. Okay. Yes. See, all these pointers. Pointed to arrays, pointed to strings, pointed to structures. Yes, and all this pointed to pointer. See, pointed to pointer. This is topic. Yes. Next size of a pointer and all this. Yes, next. Yes, functions. Yes, next topic is about functions here. Functions. Yes, all that functions. Different types of functions. 4 types of that user different 4 types of functions. 4 types. Explained very clearly. Okay. So this is passing variability function. First one. Functions and variables like this. So all these examples. Functions. Programs. Many programs covered here. Storage classes. Storage classes concept here. Like automatic, register, static, and external storage classes concepts. Yes, after storage classes. Yes, next pointers, functions and pointers combination. See, memory map of exe file means, yes, here at runtime, how that memory management, some stack variables, some heap variables, static variables, there are different kind of memory here, that memory management here, the topic this is. Okay, somewhat interesting here. Yes, steps to generating exe file. Yes, source code, preprocessor, next assembler, next compiler, linker, like that. All this here, the steps. Okay. Yes, after finishing all the storage classes, next pointers topic. Pointers and functions here. This pointer C. From this call by value, call by reference. This is a pointer to variable topic. This is a pointer to variable. Okay, passing array to function. Passing array to function. So arrays functions topic, that combination. Okay, that combination. Okay. See, pointer to arrays. Pointer to arrays and functions, that combinations here. All that combinations. Okay. Next, after that here, developing C program in Linux ways. Okay, Linux, not only Turbo C, Windows based here on Linux, embedded C. Yes, embedded C. How to work on embedded C? Developing C programming. Okay, creating some header file. Yes, after creating header file, next creation of project exe file. Yes, all these header files creation here. Okay, finally project exe file. CXE file, project exe, then project exe, execution of project exe. This. So this is Linux. Linux. After finishing 80% of syllabus, we'll go to Linux phase. Linux phase. For Linux phase, I will take 4 to 5 classes on Linux phase. On Linux phase, how to develop the C programming. Not C programming, Linux phase topic itself, I'll take 4 to 5 classes. After how to develop C program and Linux base, I'll explain. Okay, Linux based C programming. Okay, after that, next is file management. Here, this is most important topic, file management. Yes, here we'll be discussing one big project also. Next is file management. File management. File management. So next is file management. File management. Okay. Yes, like file management, files. Yes, suppose hard disk files are there. In hard disk, suppose C drive. So project folder. In this, some files are there. How to read these files here? Like opening file, reading from the file, writing to the file. There are some file operations here. file operations. There are different functions, around 17 functions, 17 operations. These things. So all that operations explain very clearly with programs. Very big one this is. Yes, here we'll be discussing one big project here. C projects. Very big projects. Okay. Yes, almost 1,000 lines of code this is. File management here. Yes. Yes, here we'll discuss one C project here. Here C projects. Yes, is a C project here. C projects. Yeah, this is it. Yes, around 1,000 lines code. 1,000 lines code here. This around 1,000 lines code here. Very big project. Yes, once this project complete here, yes, you can work on C language. You can work in software if not on C language. In software itself, okay, in software itself, yes, it becomes easy here. Yes, once you completed this project here, software becomes easy. Software becomes like a drinking water, It's very simple. It becomes very easy here. Yeah, that kind of things I'm showing here. Okay, see this here. This is like employees data management here. Employees data like adding records, displaying existing records, searching for records, modify record, deleting records. Is some CRUD application here. CRUD creates, yes, update, delete, and read. Yes, all the operations here. Yes, almost every project you take C projects or Java project, Python project, you take any project only these operations. Any project, these are the operations. They are the operations here. Okay. See this is project struct employee number, employee name, salary, department like this, employee information. See menu function, append function, display function, search function, modify del. Yes, here the code, main function code. This is main program code. Yes, menu code here. Yes, next append, adding new record to. Yes, adding new records, creating new records. Okay, this is append function, adding new records, append. Yes, next display. Yes, display codes. The display is like a project here. In real-time project, this exact like real-time is like this only here. Okay, searching for records. Searching for records. Next, modifying record. All different options here. Different operations on the employees records here. Okay, next del. Yes, very big code. This around 1,000 lines of code. This is 1,000 lines of code. Very big one. This, right? Next, after this, about dynamic memory management here. Dynamic memory means runtime. How to manage memory at runtime here. So next one here. Yes, dynamic memory management here. So next one, next topic this is. Yes, in the dynamic memory management here. Yes, like malloc function. How to use malloc function. Okay, next calloc function or calloc function. Next realloc function. Realloc. So realloc function. Okay, next yes, free functions. Yes, to manage memory at runtime here. To manage memory at runtime. Okay. Yes, after that, next linked list topic. Linked list. Next is yes, linked list topic. Linked list. Linked list. Linked list. In linked list here, first one, yes, single linked list. Single linked list. Okay. Next, second one, double linked list. Double. Second one, yes, double linked list, single linked list and double linked list, single linked list and double linked list. In both cases, linear single linked list and circular, both are there. Linear and circular, okay, linear and circular here. So see this. Yes, all this using malloc and calloc functions using this is. Yes, all the data structures concept here. It's data structures. Okay. In data structures, maximum getting pointers concept here. Yes, linked list is single, double linked list here. Single linked list. So this is linear single linked list. Next, circular double linked list. Yes, linear single linked list, linear circular single linked list, linear double linked list, circular double linked list. That memory map explained very clearly here. Next, structure for linked list. Yes, now here. Program for this single linked list operations here. Linked list operations. Yes, add nodes, display list, modify node, delete node, clear list, had menu function like this. That mean this program around 150 lines of code. This is 150 lines. 150 lines. This is 150 lines of code here. Single linked list. Circular also same 150 lines of code. Yes, linear circular almost similar. That little bit changes will be there. The changes will be discussing very clearly here. Yes, next double linked list program. Yes, here also I'm adding node displaying double linked list. This also around 200 lines. Yeah, this code somewhat more than the single linked list here. So this is double linked list code. It's around 200 lines code. Okay. Yes. Next after this linked list here. So next one, yes, 10th one. 10th one stacks. So how to maintain stacks? 11th one queues. Stacks and queues. Next 12th one binary tree. Binary tree. Binary tree. Okay, stacks, queues, and binary trees. This is stack. So next after finishing stack operations. These are all linked list programs. Linked list around 200 program, 200 lines of code. This is very big code. Length of stack operations. Last in first out. Like add element, remove element here, top element, displaying stack, clear stack, the stack operations. Stack operations. Stack operations. Like menu function next to say push function. Push means adding elements. Pop means remove element here. Push pop. The next peak. Okay, top element getting a clear stack like this. Next queue. First in first queue operations, all this. That queue program. This also around 100 lines of code. Stack and queue, yes, around 100 lines. This code. These things. Stack queue. After finish, finally binary concept. So this is your complete syllabus. So complete syllabus for this maximum 60 days enough. Okay. Yes, many programs will be covering here. Okay. Yes, linked list. On linked list, here this is 2 plus 2, 4 programs, very big programs. Yes, each program will be taken for 2 sessions. This area only 8 classes, only this area. 8 classes will be taken. One program taken for 2 days explanation here. So 8 classes required. Stack. For stack explanation, this is 1 day, 1 session on the stack here. Next queue. Yes, here also 1 session enough here. One session. Yes, mandatory 1 session. They're big things, very big programs. Okay, like this. Yes, project. This is almost yes, 6 to 8 hours topic. This is 6 to 8 hours project here. This is yeah. Course fees. Yeah, I'll tell you. Wait, just a minute. So this is complete. Yes, topics coverage in this. Yes, more than 200 programs. Yes, is my promise. Even you can see the document as practically you can see 200 programs. Many programs covering here. Lot of logic getting here. Yes, I'll make you perfect in in programming here. Because yes, writing programming is different. Skilled programming is different here. Yes, 23 years of experience software field. Yes, skilled programming. There are some standards in software field. Okay, we should follow some standards in writing codes here. Yes, with their standards, I'll explain. With their standards, I'll explain very clearly. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Fee. Yeah. This is 4,000 rupees fees. Just to contact online team. Yes. Contact. Yes. Contact online team. Online team. Yes. Online team number. Yes. Explain one program. You don't worry. Just you see the classes for 2-3 days. No issue. Okay. See the classes. 2-3 days. No problem. Okay. Demo classes. 2-3 classes. 4 classes you can attend. No problem. Up to Thursday you can attend. No problem. You can see my classes. If you're satisfied, then you can join the classes. Okay. Yes. Even just one more thing. Just you can encourage your friends. Yes, any already done C language or Java. Who learned Java at me? Yes, my classes. Who attending some Java, attending C language? Nageswar Rao. My name is Nageswar Rao. Just you ask anyone. Okay. See recordings. See that recordings. You will show that recordings here. Some previous batch recordings. C language. That recordings. See 55 recordings. So 60 days. 55. Yes, only Sundays holidays here. Okay, totally 55 recordings. I think this batch was taken for 65 days. There is 55 sessions. That recording all the sessions. Recordings. Totally 55 recordings are there. Okay. Yes, you guys don't worry. See the classes for 3 to 4 classes. No worry. No issue. I'm not a commercial. Just see. If you're satisfied, then good. Okay. Yes. I have the confidence. So once you see my classes here, 2-3 classes, 100% you will join. I know that. I have that confidence. Okay. Yes, suppose at the end also, if you are not satisfied, I'll return the fee. Okay. After finishing batch also, if you are not satisfied, okay, if you are not satisfied, I'll return the fee. No problem. Okay, right? My classes will be different. You'll see. Yes, yes. You'll never see this kind of trainer. Yes, maybe I think in past and future also. Yes, never. No chance. Okay, I have that feedback. After finishing my classes, many were saying that yes, we never seen such kind of faculty. Okay, he explained very well. Okay, yes, that kind of feedback I have. Okay, see the classes. Okay, yes, even after finishing course also, if you are not satisfied, I'll refund you. Don't worry about it. That is my guarantee. Okay, my classes, no doubt, like a spoon feeding and excellent, no doubt here. Anyone can understand here. Okay, yes, I have that feedback. Right, okay. Yes, still any doubt? Offline don't have because COVID situation, Hyderabad, COVID situations, yes, don't have offline classes. Okay, don't have offline classes because online only we are taking care. Okay, see the classes. I'm not a commercial. See the classes, don't worry. Okay, yes, not only here satisfaction here, project experience also you get it here. Not only satisfying technology, real-time experience you'll get it here. Yes, coding skills, that coding skills and even logic building. Suppose if not build the logic, you can ask me. If not logic develop, if not improved, if you are not improved, just you can ask me. Okay, yes, 100% everything will be yes getting. So don't worry about it. I'm guarantee for it. Okay. Yes, 60 days classes. After 60 days of trading care, lot of difference you'll see. You'll see that lot of difference. After 60 days also still if not satisfied with my classes, okay, 100% I'll refund my fees. Okay, your fees no doubt. Tomorrow continuation, same link. Tomorrow also same link, no change in link here. Tomorrow also same, see, no change in link here. Just a minute, just a minute. Wait for a minute. Yes, tomorrow also same link, no change in link here. Okay. Yes, no changing link. Yes, tomorrow also same link, no change in link here. No change in the link. Tomorrow also same link. Next, one more thing here. For our batch, yes, I'm creating WhatsApp group. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Yes, please submit your details. We'll add to that group. Yes, my WhatsApp number 8179. Yes, 189 123. This is my WhatsApp number. Yes, these are way to communicate. Daily class, daily assignments. Daily assignments I'll share in the WhatsApp. Yes, your name. Next WhatsApp course you are attending here. Next WhatsApp time you are attending here. Okay. So just you mention that here. Okay. Yes, their details. Please share these details here. I'll add to group. Okay. I will add to group. I'll create group for your batch. Already existing batch. See once. See 5 p.m. batch. It's going on currently here. 5 p.m. Yeah, this batch around 15 members are there. 15 members are joined in that batch. 5 p.m. Okay, 5 p.m. Just see that their communication. Their communication. See here my assignments, daily assignments. Yes, list of programs, some assignments given here, some all the assignments. I'm giving assignments, they are the assignments. Yes, I'm giving assignment, they are solving here. Just I'm giving assignments, all the assignments they are solving here. Simply they are solving here. Is that communication? How that communication is going on? Okay, this WhatsApp group is a proper way for the communication. For everything, just you can ping me. Yes, I can reply. I can see my response. How I'm responding. This color is my response, right? See that my response. Immediately I'm responding here. For everything I'm responding. See that my response. Okay, their questions and my response. And next daily assignments like this. Daily assignments, giving us some list of programs. Yes, to solve list of programs given here. Solve this. Okay. Yes. So this is about this. Next online team number. Still, if you want online team number, I can do that also. So WhatsApp is the best way for communication. WhatsApp is the best way. Online team. Yes. 7207 2124 2124 212427. This is online team contact number. Okay. So is my WhatsApp number. Right. Yes, mainly just you can communicate with this WhatsApp number for yes. Once you've taken this one here, with that you can communicate anyone you want. I can respond it. Maybe further details, whatever you want, I can respond on this number. Yes. If you want personal advice, yes, I can give the personal advice also. You can call me on this number also. At my free time, I can talk to you. At my free time, I can talk to you. Okay. Mostly at 9 or night to 10 o'clock, I'll be free. Or afternoon lunchtime, I'll be free. That time I can talk to you. If you want any guidance, feature, help, and all this, I can 100%. Okay. Yes, even here as a fresher. Yes, if you want to join as a fresher, I can forward resume in my company. In my company, every year minimum 20 to 30 members we are taking freshers. 20 to 30 members. I'll forward your resume. But the thing is, you have to gone through. You should undergo the written test. If you're good at written test, then we'll take into company. Okay. Yes, I'll help you that also. Okay. Yes, as a freshers, you can join into our company. Yeah, but the thing is, you have to pass the test. That you have to score it in that test. Okay. Yeah. So that's all. Okay. Yes. Deleted that number. Yes. Still anyone not taking, please note it. I'll remove this number. Okay. Yes. Tomorrow also same link. No change in the link. Tomorrow also same link. No changing link here. Same time. Right? Yes. Yeah. Yes. Any doubts? That's all for today. Yes. I think no doubts, right? Yes. If no doubts, let us find up session for today. So tomorrow same time and same link. Same link. Same link. Right? So thank you guys. See you tomorrow.